how to create QQ account. So if you want to create a QQ account or if you want to sign up to QQ internationally, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have installed the application. Once you install the application, open up the QQ. After opening, agree to the terms and conditions and wait for a few seconds to load the application. Now, once it has been loaded, what you need to do is on the bottom, you will have the options. Here on the bottom, you will have the blue button. You need to tap on it and then you need to enter your credentials. Like in order to create your account, you need to go with create section. But if you already have an account, you need to enter your credentials and then you'll be logged into your account. But if you don't have an account yet, then instead of tapping on the blue button, you need to go back and tap on the left button, which is right here. Once you tap on it, it will take it to the create section. Now here you need to enter your phone number. So you need to go with the country code at first. Tap on the country code, go with the drop down. Select the one that matches your location. Once you enter your country code, you need to go and enter your number. Once you enter your number, here on the bottom, you will have a tick mark option, right? So you need to go and tick that, and then it will ask you to create a password. So you just need to simply go and create a password. Make sure that you've entered the strong password, and after that, go with next, which will be here. And it might give you a verification code to the phone number that you've just entered. So enter the verification code, and your account will be created. That's how you can successfully sign up to your QQ account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.